In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in Ctrader account. By the end, you'll be confidently signed in and ready to trade on desktop, web, or mobile, with a few handy tips to keep things smooth and secure. First, pick the platform you want to use: Ctrader Desktop, Ctrader Web, or Ctrader Mobile. If you're on a computer and want the richest feature set, open the desktop app. If you prefer not to install anything, use Ctrader Web in your browser by navigating to your broker's Ctrader page or the official Ctrader web portal. On a phone or tablet, open the Ctrader app from your home screen. A stable internet connection helps avoid timeouts during sign-in, so make sure you're connected before you start. Next, choose your login method. Most users sign in with a Ctrader ID, sometimes called a CTID, which lets you access all your linked trading accounts and settings across devices. In some cases, your broker may offer a dedicated login option where you sign in with the credentials they provided. Pick the option you already use. If you're not sure, Ctrader ID is typically the most straightforward. Now enter your credentials. For a Ctrader ID, that's usually your email address and password. For a broker login, you might enter an account number, username, or email, plus your password. Type carefully because passwords are case sensitive. If you copy and paste, watch out for extra spaces at the beginning or end. Using a trusted password manager can reduce typos and keep your details secure. If you've enabled two-factor authentication, have your code ready and enter it when prompted to add an extra layer of protection. Click Log In to continue. Give the platform a moment to connect to the server. If you see any permission prompts, such as allowing notifications on mobile, choose what suits your workflow. If the login doesn't succeed, double-check your credentials and internet connection, then try again. After you're signed in, select your account. You may see multiple accounts, such as live and demo, or several accounts with different currencies. Choose the one you want to use right now. If a server or region option appears, select the server your broker assigned to that account. You can change accounts later from the account selector in the platform. Your account is now ready for trading. Confirm you're connected by checking that your watch lists, symbols, and account balance are visible and updating. From here, you can customize your workspace, switch between accounts when needed, and log out when you're done, especially on shared devices, to keep your access secure. That's all it takes to log into your Ctrader account on any device.